Dear students, I am M. Rajeshwari, lecturer in botany. Today our topic botanical nomenclature. Botanical nomenclature introduction. Botanical nomenclature is branch of botanical botany that deals with the determination of application of a correct name to a plant or taxon. It arose out of the name need for a universal system of naming the plants. Binomial nomenclature. Carolus Linnaeus established binomial system of nomenclature in his Species Plantarum in 1753. In Botanica, binomial system of naming the name of plant consists of two Latin or Latinized words, the genus and species. The scientific name are always printed in italics and the head written or type name are always underlined. The generic name start with a capital letter, whereas the specific name with a small letter. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature means ICBN in shortcut form. The foundation of an International Code of Botanical Nomenclature are found in Linnaeus' Philosophica Botanica in 1751, wherein proposed certain principles of nomenclature. Later, in 1813, A.P.D. Condell set forth a detailed set of rules on plant nomenclature in his work Theoria Elementaria della Botanica. However, in the first organized efforts to develop precise and simple system of nomenclature to be used by botanists in all countries were made at the first International Botanical Congress held in 1867 in Paris. All this Congress, the Louis de la Nomenclature Botanique means law of botanical nomenclature proposed by Alphine de Candolle were adopted with some modification as guide for nomenclature in the vegetable kingdom. These rules are known as de Candolle rules or Paris Code of 1867. The rule of nomenclature adopted at the Cambridge Congress were subjected to changes and refinement in subsequent International Botanical Congress. The recent International Botanical Congress was held in Vienna, in Australia, in July 2007. This is known as Vienna Code in 2005. Silent features of ICBN. The code is divided into three parts: principles, rule, and recommendation. First one, principle. Principles in division region. Division 1, Division 2. In Division 1, principle. Division 2, rules and recommendation. Chapter 1, in taxa and their ranks, status, typification and priority of names, nomenclature of taxa according to their rank, effective and valid publication, rejection of names, names of fungi with pleomorphic life cycle, orthography and gender of names. Division 2, provisions for governance of the code. In addition, there are 7 appendices in a code. Appendix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, appendix 1 is divided into 2 types. Appendix 1A, appendix 1B. Principles of ICBN. There are 6 principles on which ICBN is based. Botanical nomenclature is independent of geological nomenclature. The application of name of taxonomic group is determined by means of nomenclatural types. The nomenclature of taxonomic group is based on priority of publication. Each taxonomic group with a particular position and rank can only one correct name according to their rules. The scientific name of taxonomic group are treated as Latin or regards of derivation. The rules of nomenclature are retroactive unless expressly limited. Rules and recommendation. Next one, rules and recommendation. Some of the important rules are taxa and their ranks, and second one, name of genus. Again, second one is divided into 5 types. First one, taxa and their ranks. The term taxon was introduced in Stockholm Code in 1952. Taxon refers to a taxonomic group of any rank. Species is the basic taxon. The other taxa of higher rank are genus, family, order, class, division, and vegetable kingdom. The taxon may be further subdivided by adding the prefix sub to the term. The ending of the name indicates its rank. Example, Botanica, Bota, kingdom. Phyta, division. Phytena, subdivision. Opsida, class. Idea, subclass. Opsida are also subclass. Ales, order. Inae, suborder, and Acae, family. Special exception is made for the following families. These names, because of long use, are treated as validly published. For these families, alternative names are also permitted ending in Aca. Cruciferae in older name, Brassicaceae. Guttiferae in Guttiferae and Leguminosae, Umbelliferae, Compositae, Labitae, Palmae. These families are changed into other names. The name of genus and the name of genus is a noun and singular with the spelled or written with capital letters capital letter, and the genetic name may have any one of the three familiar genders. Again, the generic name have differentiated type origin. First one, commemoration of person based on a place. Methodological origin, local names, combination of word, name of the species. The specific epithet is after a adjective and the distribution character of plant. It normally begins with the small letter. And the next one, names of intraspecific taxa. The name of an intraspecific taxon is a combination of the name of a species and an intraspecific epithet. That intraspecific name with final epithets such as typicus, originals, genius. For example, the combination Lobia spicta were organized while includes the type of Lobia spicta should be named as Lobelia spicata. And the next one, names of plants in cultivation. Plants brought from the wild into cultivation retain original name authority. The names of specific incomplete if is not followed by full or abbreviated name. If two authors have jointly published the name of taxon, the names both authors should be cited and linked by the words et or and. When name is proposed by one author and not validly published, and a second author has it published validly at a later time, then the name of the former author followed by the word X is inserted before the name of second author naming. Next one, principles of priority. Next one, principles of priority. Each taxon bears only one correct name. The correct name is the earliest legitimate one except in case of limitation of priority by conservation. For the purpose, 1st May 1753 publication of Species Plantarum by Linnaeus is taken as the earliest data for all plant. The principles of priority does not apply to Na- names of taxon above the rank of family. Application of principle of priority brought many problems as name of several plants have to be changed. Typification. Next one, typification. Typification or type method. The type method is a legal device to provide the correct name for a taxon. The application of names of taxa of family or below is determined by mean of nomenclatural types. The nomenclature type is usually a herbarium sheet of the plant, which was used by the author to give the authentic description of the plant. The following terms are used in the nomenclature types. First one, halotype. Second one, isotype. Third one, lectotype. Fourth one, syntype. And next one and last one, neotype. And the first one, halotypes. It is the specimen or other element used by the author is the nomenclatural type. And the second one, isotype. Isotype, it is the duplicate of halotype. For example, if several herbaceous plant or several branches of a tree are collected at the same time, one is designated as type and the other becomes isotypes. Next one, lectotype. It is a specimen or other element selected from the original material to serve as nomenclatural type when no halotype was designated at the time of publication or as long as it is missing. Next one, syntype. Syntype, it is any one of the two specimens cited by the author when no halotype was designated or more than one specimens are designated as type. Next one, neotype. Neotype is a specimen or illustrating selected to several or serve as the nomenclatural type when all the original material is lost. And the next one, effective and valid publication. According to the code, publication of new names and description are effective only when the printed matter is distributed to the general public or to at least 10 botanical institutions with libraries accessible to botanists generally. The date of effective publication is the data on which the printed matter became available. Next one, rejected names. Rejected names are classified into two types. First one, synonym and homonym. Homonym, synonym and hyponym and tutonym. First one, synonym. Synonyms are different names for the same plant. It is rejected due to wrong application or Difference in taxonomic judgment. There are two types. First one, nomenclatural or homotypical synonyms. Next, taxonomic or heterotypical synonym. When two or more names are given to the same taxon based on the same type specimen, they are nomenclatural synonym. On taxonomic or heterotypic synonym, it is a different name based on a different type, but taxonomic judgment indicates that it is equal to previously described taxon. Homonym. When two or more identical names are given based on the different type of specimens, they are known as homonyms. The earliest among these the limited and should be retained. Hyponym. It is a name based any type of specimen. It is a rejected due to lack of identified type. Tutonym. It is the name where specific epithet exactly repeats the genetic name. Example, Malus malus, Khajanus khajana are not pseudonyms. Since the specific epithet is not exactly the same as that of genus. These are the homonym, hyponym, teutonym. Thank you.